We're going to start with this as our unit of measure. And what we want to do is we want to measure these two line segments with this unit of measure. But we notice that the line segments are shorter than the unit of measure. So what we need to do is we need to take this unit of measure and make it into fractional pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it once, and we're going to fold it again. And what we've now done is we've broken our unit of measure into 4 equal parts. And we're going to make a mark at the beginning of each part. So we'll make a mark here also for the beginning of the whole thing and a mark here at the end. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Now since we have 4 equal parts, we know the first part is going to be 1/4. From here to here is going to be 2/4. And from here to here is going to be 3/4. So now we have from here to here is 1/4 of our unit of measure. From here to here is 2/4 of our unit of measure. From here to here is 3/4 of our unit of measure. And then from here to here is our 1 unit of measure. But there's something else that happens also. Look at 2/4. There's another fraction for this part of the unit of measure. If we take the unit of measure and fold it like this, we see that it takes up half of the unit of measure. So we can put 1/2. So this mark right here is measures not only 2/4 of our unit of measure, but it also measures 1/2. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make the line bigger. We make the line bigger because this line represents 2/4 and 1/2 of our whole unit of measure. Now, let's measure our line segments. We put the end of our unit of measure here, and it turns out that this line segment is 3/4 of our unit of measure. When we measure this line segment, starting on the left, it turns out that our unit of measure, it's about 2/4 of our unit of measure, or 1/2 of our unit of measure. And the reason we can note this is that these two are the same size, and we put this longer line here to show that it is actually 1/2 or 2/4. So when we have line segments that are shorter than our unit of measure, we take our unit of measure and make it into fractions. In this case, we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, each having a line, a little piece of a line designating it. And because the 2/4 can also equal 1/2 of our unit of measure, we make the line a little longer. And that is the way we can measure line segments when our unit of measure is longer than the line segments.